contestant number 5, Ashvika Omkumar.
The best and the most beautiful things cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. These inspiring words of Helen Keller always motivated me. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ashvika Omkumar, representing Kerala from the beautiful city Cochin. I'm presently preparing for my UPSC exams in Delhi. I have a wide range of interests that include swimming, tennis, dancing, and modeling. But I must admit that my real passion is car racing. In fact, one of my dreams is to be able to race in Formula One Grand Prix because I believe that women can just do about anything. Today, women face many challenges in their personal and professional lives. But it's imperative that we need to create an environment where women are free to make their own choices. Women empowerment is a need of the hour, but I also believe that it's love and compassion we need the most in the world today, without which humanity cannot survive. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I wish you all a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you.
That was quite an inspiring speech. All right, now let's next contestant for self-introduction. Please invite Avantisha Singh. Looking quite beautiful.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hail from the beautiful city of Nawabs, Hyderabad. I have a passion for music and fashion. I own the dream to become a successful fashion designer. I have many dreams. I wish I fulfill them. To be honored by the crown is one of them. And I am thankful to Manappuram Gold to give us a platform to perform our talent and our beauty. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
About the beauty, Avantisha Singh. And next contestant, please put your hands together for Aishika Sharma.
Manappuram South India 2014, our 7th contestant, Ashika Sharma.
Ellarkum Vanakkam. Good evening, judges, and a very warm welcome to one and all present here today. I'm Aishika from the very beautiful state of Tamil Nadu. I am an engineering graduate and also a classical dancer. I aspire to become a world-class performer someday and be able to promote India's art and culture throughout the world because I believe art has the power to transform the world and make it a better place to live in. I also believe in the power of giving, and I consider it not as my duty, but as a privilege, because it is only by giving that one can find the true oneself. I see beauty in everything around me, and I am very glad to be a part of Miss South India, which is a celebration of beauty in itself. I welcome you all to be a part of this celebration, and I hope you'll all have a wonderful evening ahead. Thank you.
Our next contestant, we have Darshit Mita Gowda.
All the world's a stage, said Shakespeare, and we are all merrily playing out our parts. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Darshit Mita from Bangalore, a 23-year-old on the threshold of a future that's exciting and inviting. I love to feel the excitement of all the glitz and glamour on me. I love to feel the pleasure when the spotlight shows me off to the world. A go-getter of life and a winner at heart, I aim to take on the world and hope to give the best. With all my hard work and dedication, I'm here tonight to win the title. Thank you.
Now let's invite our ninth contestant and please welcome Geetika Bindhana. Please put your hands together for Geetika.
Namaskaram, Vanakkam. Hello, Coimbatore. Good evening to one and all present here. I'm Geetika Bandana, hailing all the way from Andhra Pradesh. I'm an amalgamation of the spicy tinge of Andhra and the sweetness of Bengal. Bold, confident, outrageous, spunky, chirpy, energetic are the few adjectives that I would like to associate myself with. My areas of interests are creative writing, theater, singing, and socializing. My ultimate motto in life is live life to the fullest, because God has given you just one life and you need to make the most out of it. I strongly believe if you dare to dream, you should dare to fulfill it as well. More than winning the crown, I'm here to win the hearts of people. And if I win this pageant today, I would definitely want to work for a cause than for an applause. Thank you.
Now let's move on to our 10th contestant, and please welcome Mallika Neelala.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Malika from the city of Pearls, Hyderabad. I've completed my BBM from Manipal University. I love to read and listen to music. Somewhere inside me always pull me towards fashion. Since I'm here, taking my first step towards fashion industry. I'm a very sensitive girl. This turned me into a vegetarian, and I support animal rights. I love to read about astronomy because astronomy never failed to amuse me. It is commonly said, but I strongly believe that everything happens for a reason. Sometimes good things might fall apart so that better things can get together. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mallika Neelala, and all the very best. And now let's invite our 11th contestant.
You attract people by the qualities they display. You keep them by the qualities they possess. Be the person you want to be and live your dreams. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Meghna Shetty, a software engineer from Mangalore, residing at Bangalore and representing my state, Karnataka, today. I am a passionate, loving, and a dedicated person. I aim to achieve great heights in everything I do and represent India one day. I dream to build a home for the needy, as I believe you spread the vibrance of joy and happy smile around you, and the world will smile back at you. I would like to thank Pegasus for this wonderful opportunity given to me to showcase my talent. Thank you.
We have our next contestant, contestant number 12, Nimita Sugnani.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and respected judges. Good evening, Coimbatore. I am Nimita, 22 years old, representing this beautiful state, Tamil Nadu. I always like to interact with people, and I've always been passionate about acting and modeling. The essence of my life is being optimistic, and my motto is wear out but never rust out. Manappuram Miss South India has been the dream that I have always cherished. The crown would make me feel like a princess and nothing better. I hope tonight the best works out for me and I be blessed with this prestigious title. I believe in the saying, it's not about how you wear the crown, it's always about how you make it shine. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was a nice introduction. And now let's move on to the 13th contestant. We have just 4 more to go. And here we have Rakshmi, right? Rakshmi, please introduce yourself.
Yes.
Namaskaram and good evening, everyone. I am Rashmi Thakur from the beautiful city of Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. And I am the person who strongly believes in improving the life of people in need. In this case, I have been the part of many social causes. And my greatest strength is quick adaptability to the situation. And my only regret, which I don't regret, is being perfectionist in anything I do. I want to be a role model to the female community who want to achieve something higher but are infringed by society. If I am next Miss South India, I want to be an ambassador for the peace, harmony, and do good justice to my motto, beauty for purpose. And I really thank Pegasus for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thanks you, Lord, and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you so much, Rashmi.
Now let's invite our 14th contestant, Sri Aira.
Vanakkam Coimbatore, Vanakkam judges and my beautiful fellow contestants. I'm Ira from Chennai, the city of beautiful culture and tradition. First and foremost, I would like to thank Manappuram and Pegasus event to have given me this lovely opportunity to showcase my talent. Life is very adventurous. As cliche as it sounds, I totally live by that. I, being a martial artist, am very courageous, daring, and adventurous. The ultimate goal behind me standing here today is to take home the crown. And I'm very sure each one of us standing here is equally deserving. Irrespective of winning or losing tonight, I still come through as a winner because I take home a lot of learning experience that has made me a better person. I strongly believe that life is about dreaming big and living your dreams. Being a go-getter is what makes me different. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Now we have contestant number 1515, Swapna Nair.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Before I wish the judges, let me wish my source of strength tonight, my lovely audience. I'm Sapna Nair, 19 years of age, is a BCom student who keeps challenging in competition, overcomes in trials, successful in academics. My journey towards life has made me experience different cultures and lifestyle. I'm very lucky to be born in a family where love and compassion means the most. I'm a true Canlite who believes and lives every moment of life with joy. Thank you. Enjoy the evening.
All the very best, and ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the last contestant, the 16th contestant, Tanya Stanley.
There is nothing more rare, no more beautiful than a woman being unapologetically herself, confident in her perfect imperfection. That is the true essence of beauty. Namaste. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and esteemed judges. I am Tanya Stanley, contestant number 16, and I represent the beautiful and verdant state of Kerala, our God's own country. Ever since my childhood, business has been my passion, and it is my future goal in life to become an entrepreneur. Additionally, something that I'm really passionate about is to inspire others to be themselves. And I believe that this platform would not only give me the opportunity to showcase my talents, but also the golden opportunity to express my choices and opinions. I firmly believe that I have the right qualities of confidence, poise, and the right attitude, which will not only help me to become the next Miss South India, but also a successful role model for the emerging youth of our beautiful country. Thank you very much and have a great evening. Thank you.
All the very best, Tanya. All the
Yeah,
very
so we had a
best.
very good start and a very good end, but that is just
Exactly.
not the end, I guess, because all these ladies are absolutely good looking. What
also-
made them look much more better is what they are wearing right now. So we definitely do need to introduce the designers and invite them to stage, let them take a run, and then leave.
Please welcome designers of Weavers Village. Please put your hands together for Mrs. Shobha Ashwin and Mrs. Sri Ramya. Please put your hands together. They have designed this splendid collection.
We have
Can make
on
it better.
stage
They deserve a big round of applause.
We have on stage Mrs. Shobha Ashwin and Mrs. Sri Ramya, the designers of Weavers Village, who has designed this splendid collection for all the 16 contestants across South
Thank
India.
you so much, Shobha and Sri Ramya. Thank you so much.
I guess
Alright,
that is-
but you know, garments are not just enough.
Yeah.
If they have to look good,
Yeah.
ornaments, the accessories, it should be better. All right.
Definitely,
Now
definitely.
let's welcome the jewel designer. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our jewel designer, Mrs. Preeti Prakashan.
Please put your hands together for Mrs. Preeti Prakashan of Parakar Jewels, who designed the jewellery for all the 16 contestants of this
Thank you very
round.
much, Mrs. Preeti Prakashan. Thank you so much. All right, so we are done with the self-introduction round.
Yeah, so it's time to bid goodbye to stage 1, round 1.
All
See you
right.
in the next stage.
So all the very best. Now you did the first part quite well, and in the next round, you know, we'll be selecting 10 contestants for the semi-final. So keep your fingers crossed. All the very best. Thank you so much. Can we have a big round of applause for them?
Yeah.